Hello guys, this is ParKoo Company. Recently we got some comments from our customers saying that our ParKoo Erasable pens did not arrive smoothly on Rocketbook, and why the Piolt pens works well on it. So in this case we are going to do some tests today. Here are two types of Rocket notebooks from Rocketbooks, which are made from different material. First, the big one is Rocketbook Wave, which is made from ordinary paper, and the smaller one which is made from a special material, the synthetic brand paper. On this type of paper, we can use wet cloths to wipe off the writing. Okay, we are going to try the Piolt pens on both notebooks first. This is the Piolt pen. We will try on the special notebook first. We will draw randomly or write something down like book. We see it writes smoothly and the ink is continuous. Now we will wipe off the writing. Okay, let's try on the other notebook. This is the ordinary paper. We also write something down or write book. It also writes well and smoothly on this book, and we will also erase off the writing. It is very clean. Okay, and from both of these writings, we can see that the Piolt pens works well on both notebooks with different materials. Okay, next we will try our ParKoo pens, and this is our ParKoo pens. First we will try on the ordinary paper. We'll write book. Also we will draw. You may see the writing is smooth and the ink is continuous. We will erase off. Okay, it is very clean as well. Okay, let's try on another book. This is special paper with write book. Or we draw some up. From this writing we can see our ParKoo pens did not write smoothly on the special paper. The ink is not continuous. We see this. So to solve this problem, our technique department have done other tests and finally find out the reason for this problem. And the solution is to use a new tip, a better tip. A new pen with a new tip. So we will try again on this special notebook. We write book down or just join, or we try more ParKoo. Let's see. This new pen and a new tip is write smoothly on the special paper now. And so we can draw the conclusion that the new tip and the new pen works well on the special Rocketbook. So, later on, the new tips will put into production and to replace the old tips, and we will switch out all the old tips this year. And you may follow up our product, and any comments you can just contact us. Thank you.